everyone, it's Tammy, and it's time to do my plan with me and my personal planner. I am going to use this Adorably Amy Designs called Bloom Where You Are Planted. It's a teeny weekly kit, and I really like her kits for my planner. And we are planning the first week of May, which is actually April 30th through May 6th. And I'm going to pull these pages out. This is the 18th week of the year. Crazy. I know it because it tells me right here. I don't know that kind of information off the top of my head, so don't think that. I just need to find the start of this washi. Here it is. So this is my personal planner. This is what I use for my Stampin' Up! And my YouTube. And I like to keep it separate just because I enjoy having the monthly calendar to write down all of my videos in. And then I like having this so that if there's anything specific that I need to be doing, I can look just toward this one. Excuse me. Excuse me. Goodness gracious. I have the hiccups. Excuse me. I'll just be saying that all video. I do have some coffee over here, so I will take a drink of that. They may have gone away, but there, we'll see if that helps. It's cute already. I like that little washi. It's from Hobby Lobby. Came in a pack like this. There may be one more, I'm not sure. 4 or 5 of them. And I need to write the days on here. So Monday is the 30th. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. There we go. And I'm going to put the habit tracker up here in the notes section. Whoops, the habit tracker, that's not what I use. I use the goals one. That's so funny. Oh, I can't pick anything up. I usually give these to Tracy, so sorry Tracy, I kind of wasted that one. Hopefully it will still work for you. Weekly goals, that's better. And I'm just going to go ahead and stick these over. Oh, but it doesn't really want to stick. Might have to just toss that one. It might not be working for you, girl. Thursday. So I hope that you guys have had a good week. It has been very busy lately for me. Mostly at work. Home has been alright. It's we had prom last week, which was really cool. And my son and his girlfriend looked amazing. And then my husband and I are going to go on a date this Friday. I guess the new Avengers movie is out, and I'm not a big, I don't even know the word, comic book kind of a fan, but I have enjoyed the Avengers and the comic books that I've seen, because he likes all of them. So, surprisingly, I have liked them more than I expected to. So, I'm kind of happy about this one too. I like to go to the movies too, so it's fun to just go and see something. So I think that on Friday morning I'm going to try to get some tickets for a movie because we'll have a better idea of what time we are going to go and all of that. And then Friday we'll go somewhere to dinner and then go to the movie. So that sounds like fun to me. And today he went to the hardware store and he came home with some flowers for me. That was really nice. They're the kind that you have to plant. I don't know if that's perennials or annuals. I never remember. I think that's annuals. I don't know. The kind that you can plant and they'll grow back every year. No, I think that's perennial. So I'm going to, I need to plant those probably the weekend. It was very thoughtful of him. So I'm putting one of these every other, and then I'll put the other one every other from that. I haven't had pop in, I don't even remember how long. It's been a long time since I've had pop, and I would love to have a pop right now. Isn't that weird? It like totally gets you still. I'm not going to, but I would love to. The thought of it. Refreshing Diet Coke sounds amazing. I'll have to have some tea or something. I have some of my blackberry tea, which I love. I also have some Chick-fil-A diet lemonade I could have. Ooh, maybe I'll have some of that. And I'm just going to put some decorative stickers around. This one says Sunday Fun Day. I think I'll put that down. This one says Date Night. I'm going to use that on Friday, along with the money. And I'm going to put Planet down on Thursday. And I'm just decorating with these cute little springtime flowers and snails and butterflies. So I'm just sticking them wherever. Just making it cute. go. And then I think I'm just done with this one, so I'm going to toss it just because that one was messed up and I have plenty others to give to her. So my goals for the week, I know I need to do comments. I'm going to put that down. I try to put that down every day. Oh, let me see what else I have up here from past weeks. I didn't get much done last week, so I need to write all that again. 12 cards of Christmas. One of my naughty series. Tips. I did do a kit. Alive. I haven't done that yet either. And a one sheet wonder. So let me write comments down. I'm just going to do that on every day. Today's one of those days, it's like 10 o'clock at night already, and I really don't want to go to bed yet, but I know I have to get up early to go to work, so I'm thinking I should probably go to bed after this, but I'm going, gosh, I really want to get some other stuff done. It's just crazy. I need to post a tip, so that means I need to make sure I have my tip done. Tip video. I need to plan my live. I've not been good at that lately. And do a live. I need to work on naughty cards and the 12 of Christmas. I don't remember if that was projects or if that was cards that I had in mind. I wrote it down in my book so I can look back and figure it out, but and I need to do a one sheet wonder. I might just do that during the week. And I need to send thank yous. All right. Oh, and you know what else I need to film is what our May collab will be. So we can get that done. Here we are. Oops. There we go. Okay, so this is the week of the 30th through the 6th, and I hope that you guys have a wonderful week. Bye-bye.